must be like you.
Maybe he wasn't hungry enough. Mommy, can we build the Lone Ranger set now?
Hey, do you want to find the eggs?
There's like none. Found one. Found another! Whoa! You both found them in the same spot. Yeah. Ooh, I love those. I have 5. No, you have 3. And I have 4.
Are you sure, Liam?
Yeah. Yeah, I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay, just you go find eggs. I'll open my electric pencil sharpener. Nah, I don't want to. It doesn't matter how many you got. It just matters if you have fun. Reagan, how about if you take one of your eggs and we'll both have 4? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Give that one to you. Okay, now I both have 4. Mine has a bunch of Easter bunny tails in it. And that was in this one too. So you have 2. Giant chocolate bunny! I already knew I had that. Mine's Butterfingers, my favorite. Look at what mine did. Crunch. Crunch. Mommy, can we open the Lone Ranger set? Liam, look what you got.
Open it.
Yay! A pinwheel. We have strong brass. Yeah. Or maybe these are just from the Dollar Tree. Wait.